Cepet mbak.
Ambil habis.
Iya sampai habis. Iya cepet, gak boleh ngomong.
Bilang sama mamanya, gambar pahlawan. Mana ya?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our school held a race to commemorate Indonesia's Independence Day. We had coloring and eating crackers competition for primary school students and spelling bee making video competition for lower secondary school. This event is to upgrade patriotism and nationalism. We held it virtually via Zoom online meeting and share it lively on our Instagram account. The ID is from all the teachers. Thank you for your attention, and this is not about the winner or the loser, but about the unity and harmony. Salam.
Jangan lupa subscribe, share, komen, dan like ya.